simple handmade wooden wall decor arts created from reclaimed or scrap would have become one of the most practical, rewarding, and profitable creative paths for modern woodworkers. Not only because they are quick to make and low in cost, but because they hold a natural charm, authenticity, and soul that mass-produced products cannot imitate. In a world where decor and home styling have become powerful expressions of personality and identity, people increasingly want pieces that feel personal, handmade, and connected to nature rather than factory-perfect and anonymous. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your ultimate destination for stunning woodcraft and home decor inspiration. Here, every piece of wood tells a story, and every design brings nature's beauty into your home. Whether you're a passionate woodwork maker, a woodworking dreamer, or someone seeking timeless and eco-friendly decor, you're in the right place. Stay tuned until the end of this video to uncover creative ideas, inspiring transformations, and to see beautiful collection and get inspiration. Don't just decorate, create with purpose. Subscribe, watch, and let's craft something beautiful together. This shift has opened enormous opportunities for makers who can transform leftover boards, flooring offcuts, pallet wood, discarded furniture parts, and forgotten scraps into beautiful wall hangings, rustic signs, geometric art, minimalist panels, inspirational pieces, and unique statement creations that carry depth and character. Reclaimed wood has its own story embedded in every surface. The dents, knots, scratches, saw marks, nail holes, and color variations become part of the design, giving each finished piece a one-of-a-kind quality that no two customers will ever receive in exactly the same way. That uniqueness makes simple wooden wall decor incredibly appealing to buyers who want something special for their home, something that feels soulful and crafted by human hands, rather than something mass-produced and repeated thousands of times. For creators, the process becomes an exciting journey of transformation, proving that beauty does not come from expensive materials, but from creativity and craftsmanship applied to what others often overlook. Even the simplest scrap of wood can become something worth hanging on a wall when shaped, sanded, painted, engraved, burned, carved, or sealed with intention and care. One of the greatest reasons modern makers are turning to reclaimed wood wall decor as an entry point into woodworking is the low barrier to start. Unlike furniture, cabinetry, or large-scale builds, wall decor requires minimal tools, takes up little workspace, and involves manageable dimensions that are perfect for small shops, home garages, or even apartment setups. A beginner woodworker can experiment without fear of wasting money, because materials are either free or extremely inexpensive. This allows them to build skills quickly while gaining confidence in measuring, cutting, finishing, and designing without the pressure of high material costs. For many, the first successful sale of a simple wooden wall art piece becomes the spark that changes a hobby into a business. Seeing someone pay for something made from scraps that once had no value is deeply empowering, a reminder that creativity can generate not just beauty but income and opportunity. As new makers gain proficiency, they can experiment with more techniques: wood burning, staining, layered patterns, murals, epoxy accents, carved lettering, rustic distressing, or clean modern finishes, developing their own style and signature look over time. Wall decor also allows makers to see a finished product quickly, rather than waiting days or weeks like with large furniture builds. That rapid sense of progress helps keep motivation high and skills improving constantly. From a business perspective, simple reclaimed wooden wall decor also makes sense because it is low risk and high demand. Customers love smaller decor pieces because they are affordable, easy to ship, gift-friendly, versatile in any home, and simple to display. If you're enjoying today's video so far, make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every week. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from. so drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. Makers benefit because these pieces sell quickly, require short production times, and can be created in batches that maximize workshop efficiency. A single reclaimed board can be cut into multiple saleable pieces, each with its own design, meaning that the profit margin per piece can be extremely strong. Since materials often cost almost nothing, most expenses go into labor, creativity, and finishing supplies, allowing even beginners to achieve meaningful earnings with relatively small product runs. Many full-time woodworking businesses today began with simple reclaimed wall decor because it allowed the maker to generate steady income quickly without large startup investment. With online marketplaces like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, Facebook Marketplace, and craft fairs, the audience for small handmade pieces is enormous, and buyers love the story behind reclaimed wood. Its sustainability, history, and the idea that something once discarded now lives a new life on their wall. Another reason wall decor is such a strong ongoing income stream is the incredible design flexibility it offers. Makers can create rustic farmhouse pieces for one audience, modern minimalist patterns for another, industrial chic styles for loft apartments, coastal softwoods for beach homes, boho designs for free-spirited interiors, and personalized engraved wall art for gift buyers. Seasonal collections, Christmas, Valentine's Day, local events, weddings, newborn nurseries, anniversaries, inspirational quotes, allow makers to produce fresh variations year-round without investing in new techniques or expensive materials. This adaptability keeps the business interesting creatively and appealing commercially, because the product line can constantly evolve with trends, tastes, and personal expression. Unlike larger products such as tables or cabinets, wall decor is not restricted by function. Its purpose is purely emotional, visual, and atmospheric, which gives the maker unlimited artistic freedom. Every board becomes a canvas, every cut piece an opportunity to communicate mood and style. Over time, customers recognize the maker's distinct visual signature, and this consistency helps build brand identity and customer loyalty. There's also a deeper emotional reason why reclaimed wood wall decor resonates so strongly with homeowners and buyers. Modern life is full of digital screens, synthetic materials, and disposable products, so the warmth of natural wood brings grounding, texture, and organic energy into a space. People instinctively connect with natural surfaces, the grain, the warmth, the imperfections, and this connection makes reclaimed wooden decor feel comforting and alive. When someone hangs a handmade wooden piece on their wall, they are not just decorating. They are bringing a piece of real material into their living environment, something that has existed and endured. Many people appreciate the symbolism that reclaimed wood carries: renewal, resilience, reinvention, and the idea that nothing is ever truly wasted if seen with new eyes. When makers explain this in product descriptions or customer interactions, the emotional value of the piece becomes even greater, increasing its perceived worth and supporting stronger pricing. As makers grow, simple wall decor becomes not just a beginner product, but a reliable long-term revenue stream, because it fits a universal need. Almost every home has walls to decorate. Even the largest woodworking businesses often keep a wall decor collection in their product line, because it continues to sell consistently and predictably. It also allows makers to use offcuts from larger builds, reducing waste and maximizing profits across the workshop. Instead of throwing away narrow strips, short pieces, stained sections, or oddly shaped scraps, woodworkers can repurpose them into art, meaning that nothing is lost and everything contributes to business value. This circular approach reflects the foundation of sustainable craftsmanship, where the workshop itself becomes more efficient, disciplined, and environmentally responsible. Simple handmade wall decor from reclaimed wood proves that creativity, business success, and environmental responsibility can exist together without conflict. It shows that sometimes the most beautiful and profitable ideas begin not with new materials or expensive equipment, but with the imagination to recognize potential in things others discard. For beginners and experts alike, reclaimed wood wall art is not just a craft but a stepping stone, a way to develop artistic skill, generate income, build a brand, and make decor that brings joy, meaning, and nature into people's homes. Thank you so much for watching Decor Ideas, where creativity meets craftsmanship and nature comes to life through wood. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family who love unique home decor and woodcraft inspiration. Your feedback inspires us to create even more amazing ideas for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next inspiring video. Until then, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep finding beauty in every piece of wood.